To help welcome and roll out this plane, I would like to welcome President and CEO of Toyota North America, Ted Ogawa, on stage with me. Ted is joining us today, or announced today that Ted will be joining us on our board of directors. This is a huge moment. Ted has been with Toyota for 39 years. Last year, Toyota North America produced 1.7 million vehicles, did more than $100 billion in revenue, employs more than 40,000 employees, and it is just such an incredible honor to have Ted joining our board and joining the Joby team, bringing this new age of mobility. So with that, Ted, I'd love for you to say a few words. Thank you.
Wow, thank you, Juven. Hello, Team Joby, and hello, everyone. And I'd like to thank you again, Joven, to inviting me here today. It's a pleasure and an honor to be a part of this celebration. The great collaboration between Joby and Toyota, which started back in 2019, was born out of a shared vision of creating mobility for all and finding better ways to move people, not just on the open road, but also in the skies, breaking barriers and making what seemed impossible possible. We share Joby's vision to save billions of minutes in commuting times, and for anyone who has driven on highways during rush hours around the country, that alone seems like an impossible task. But the fusion of Toyota's rich legacy in manufacturing, production and engineering, coupled with Joby's cutting-edge technology, passion, and trailblazing spirit, was a perfect match to help redefine the concept of commuting. We see our investment in Joby as an investment in the future. Our partnership is not just at the board level and monetary, it's also at the ground level. Our engineers are working side by side with the Joby team. We are providing our expertise to support the production and assembly the company's aircraft. And by applying our Toyota production system, we aim to help Joby meet high standards of quality, reliability, safety, and cost effectiveness. We also recently signed an agreement to supply key powertrain and actuation components for the production of their aircraft. Our goal is to provide the help they need, whether that's parts, people, or processes, so Joby can achieve the mass production of their electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle. So we are so excited about the future. A future where flight becomes a common mode of transportation, making lives easier, commuters shorter, and the world a smaller place. Joby and Toyota will help redefine the future of mobility and make the impossible possible. Thank you.
The airplane starts, simply raise a switch to fly, push a consent button. There's no warm-up, the airplane's ready to take off. You just simply pull back, thrust increases, we get a thrust-borne takeoff, airborne, transition to forward flight. So now we go from the easy thrust-borne flight to the transition where we mix thrust-borne flight with the landing. Sending the decel, you see the tilts come up. The airplane will take its own decel and we'll slow to the intended landing spot. The airplane will go into translational rate command, where any input on the stick or left-hand inceptors, the airplane will move accordingly. If you center the inceptors, the airplane stops moving. That's what he's done. Come to the hover. Pedal turn to point to you. Though we have no pedals, a twist. Clear to land, simply just push forward, set a rate of descent, and touchdown. Extraordinary, but also ordinary.